Hello guys, welcome to Do It Easy Guide tutorial. Today I will do a very quick tutorial about restoring Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10. If you guys have worked in Windows 7, you guys may remember this Windows Photo Viewer. Once you right click and if you go with open with, it used to have Windows Photo Viewer here, but in default Windows 10 we can't see Windows Photo Viewer. If you can see it, that's fine. If you can't find it, so this video will help how to do that. So usually now Windows 10 opening photos in Photos app. This app is also great, but I want to use Windows Photo Viewer because it was such a useful app. So the thing is, Windows Photo Viewer still available inside Windows 10, but it's well hidden, and we have to do some registry editing to restore it. I have two reg files here, and which is to restore this setting for current user, and one is for all users. If you want to do this for all users, you have to log in as an admin, but right now I'm going to use the current user reg file. So if you want to see maybe inside of this reg file, see it, so you just have to open it with notepad and you can view it. Alright, so I'm gonna just double click on it and I'm gonna click run. Then it will, I have to press yes, and then yes, I want to continue, and it says rec have been successfully added to the registry. So yeah, it's working. So let's, you can do that. You go to open with and choose another app, and then go to down, and if you see here, you can just select it and put the tick mark. If you still can't see it, click more apps, and if you browse through, you can see Windows Photo Viewer here. Put a tick mark. Yes, always use this app to open .jpg file and press OK. So now Windows Photo Viewer is working. You can use this cool Windows app to view your photos, and whenever you double click on a picture, it will simply open with Windows Photo Viewer. I will share this reg files under the video description, so you just have to download it and do the fix. So thank you very much. Let's meet on another tutorial.